Hey crafty people, in this video we're going to be talking about abbreviation SB, which stands for space. This can be used to indicate a particular space within your work, so like the space between these two stitches, or the chain space, or in the same space. So in this example, I've got a tweed stitch sample, and in the pattern it says to single crochet into the chain space, chain one, skip a single crochet, and single crochet into the chain space. What if something says double crochet 5 into a chain space? Well, it means I would do 5 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, and 5 into the same chain space. And we've got ourselves a little shell. So that is space, and it can be used in conjunction with any other stitch, and generally speaking, a pattern will explain what space they're talking about and referring to. So that is SB, space.